Hey everyone, I'm Brenden from the neuhouzz team, and I'm thrilled to take you on a tour of this stunning Penticton townhome, located only 1 block away from picturesque Skaha Lake. Welcome to Unit 108 at the Artisan on Lee. This 3-bed, 3.5-bath home features luxury modern living at its finest. With such a prime location, you're going to enjoy all of the attractions we love here in Penticton. As you step inside, you immediately get a feel for the on-trend styles. Beautiful barn doors, light fixtures and flooring. There's a bedroom down here and a 3-piece bath. Access to the 2-car garage just this way, and let's head upstairs to check out the rest of the home. This kitchen is an entertainer's dream and the true centerpiece of the home. Beautiful shaker doors with illuminated upper cabinets, champagne brushed gold hardware. There's a stainless steel appliance package and this custom tile backsplash reaching all the way to the ceiling. The elegance continues with this sleek tile work around the fireplace, 7-foot sliding door leading out to your covered patio. As we navigate this next level, you'll see the cleverly designed lightwell flooding this area with natural light. This floor plan puts focus on large room sizes. There's 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 spacious spa-like bathrooms. The laundry's on this level, and let's check out the primary bedroom. Here in the primary bedroom, there's a large walk-through closet leading to your stunning high-end bathroom. Features of a freestanding tub, custom tile work, and the comforts of a heated floor. Now let's talk about this showstopper rooftop patio. This place is designed for relaxation and entertaining. I know I would be spending a ton of time here in our long Penticton summers and mild winters. There's a phantom screen for privacy and a well-appointed fireplace where you'll be entertaining guests, and that hot tub where you'll be able to spend time, unwind with that special someone and take in the Skaha Lake views. If your home and lifestyle wish list includes spontaneous trips to the beach, the conveniences of a new home, and features fit for an entertainer's dream, be sure to schedule a viewing. My name is Brenden from the neuhouzz team, brokered by eXp Realty. Thank you for joining me on today's tour. If you require more details, please reach out. And if you're planning on listing your property and feel you deserve luxury marketing, give us a call to set up the appointment. I hope you enjoyed the tour, because this is where we live, love, Penticton.